Hello and welcome to another episode of ClickDesigns. We are continuing on in our series called ClickDesigns Brand Builder, and we have covered several weeks so far, but we have an exciting one today. The topic is client presentation and materials. Now, you have clients, and if you don't, you should, because we've been talking about how you can make money with ClickDesigns, and you can get out there on Fiverr and on Upwork and on these platforms and showcase what you can do using the ClickDesigns graphics and do this for other people. But for those who are, this is going to be for you. So creating client presentations, creating client proposals, creating client mockups. There's a lot of things you can do for clients here inside the platform. So we're going to be covering that today for you guys so you guys can see what you guys can be doing this to elevate brands, whether it's for yourself or for your own and for your clients. And so guess what? You guys can do this. If I can show you within a very short period of time each week on how to use these amazing graphics inside the ClickDesigns platform, you know you can do it too. So who am I? My name is Angie Norris. I'm a power user of ClickDesigns. I'm here from week to week just to show you all the exciting things you can do with the ClickDesigns software, whether I'm doing it for myself, I'm doing it for clients, and I show you guys the inside of my own account, and you guys can see what I'm doing from week to week, which is really, really cool. Now, I use it almost every single day without fail because it's so easy to use. And so I hope you guys are leveraging that. I hope you're sharing within the community as well to inspire others to what is possible with this amazing platform. So let's get started here. Let's get into how you can create some client presentations, mockups, graphics, and more using ClickDesigns. I'm going to jump into the software now. Inside my demo account, we are going to click on templates and go over to marketing. Underneath marketing, we're going to go over here to where it says presentation on the top menu bar. And here you're going to see 5 pitch decks. Lots of beautiful decks here that are ready to go. Now you can create these from scratch too, but we're just going to use a template because I want to show you guys how easy it is to take what's already in there and make it your own. And as you guys know, I do that from week to week. And so I'm going to click on these and show you. This is a great purple one. I just love this graphic right here. It looks so good. Deck number 2. These look amazing. I love these. Look at that one. Very, very cool. Pitch deck number 3. I love this one. And then pitch deck number 4, I've used this one before, so we'll skip this one this week. And I've used this one before. But these are all great. So whether you're using these for yourself or a client, these are the perfect presentation decks that you can use. So let's go ahead and click on pitch deck number 3. I'm going to go ahead and use this one. So first, we're going to go one by one through these. I'm going to go ahead and click heart all of these because we're going to have to do these individually like this. All right, so I have them all saved and hearted, and here's your hearts right here. I'm going to click on the first one. Let's go ahead and click on the title deck. And then here, what I want to do is change this out to me. So I'm going to take him out, going to go over here to image. Let's click on me. Let's put myself maybe like that, and we'll scroll down. Let's see if I go a little bit up. There we go. Perfect. Okay. And I'm going to change this out to my colors. So let's go ahead and click on brand kit and click on colors. Perfect. Move that over like this. We can change this out to my colors if we want to, like that. And let's go back to this, and we will have to manually do it. It's F70FFF. And this, we can actually change that to FFF2, so it's kind of seamless. Do the same thing for this one. Click on brand kit. And we could do this one too if we wanted to. So you see how I'm changing them to kind of our colors, right? Okay, so there I am. Now I'm going to change this out to Angie Norris. And we're going to change this to a certified AI consultant. Like this. And we're going to make this a little bit bigger. There we go. Perfect. Okay. Hosted by, I'm going to change this to my gray. Just like that. Awesome. Okay. I could make this my brand color. And then change this to that. There we go. Perfect. Move this up. That up. Okay. So there I have that. And over here on the left, I can change this to my brand color. I could take this out and add my own. I'm not sure if I have any creatives in here. Do I? Not really that I want to use, but I could put this. Move that up here like so. And then put my name. So let's do add new layer. Angie. Oop, I can't spell. Like that. Make it white. Make it small. Like this, right? Or I could make it all caps. So it looks a little more like a logo, right? Okay, put that there. Now you'd put your logo there. And then here we can unlock your, how about AI? Since that's what I mostly talk about, AI. So I can do this, make this a little bit bigger. There we go. Perfect. Mastering. How about, instead of mastering, how about leveraging AI to grow leads and sales. There we have it. And I can flip myself like this. Flip. Put myself like that. Make myself maybe a little smaller so I fit. Like that. How's that? That looks actually pretty good. So let's do 2026. Wow, they're really planning out, right? So let's look at the calendar here. Today is the 10th. So let's just say Monday the 24th of February. Like that. 10 a.m. CST. Perfect. That looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and click save. All right. Exit. Okay, so there's my first one. We're going to click on favorites up here. And we're going to do each one of these, right? So I did this one and the next one, and we can rename these. So I can rename these if I want to, right? But we're going to keep that here. Let's go ahead and click on use template. And we're going to say demo presentation slide 2. All right, so here we are. Let's take this person out. We're going to add a picture of me. Let's see what I have here. This one's perfect, like this. And if you want it to make it a circle, you click on circle image and take out the border. I don't want a border. Let's just do this all the way down. There we go. Let's make it smaller. Put that right here. And if we wanted to, I could, my hand looks kind of funky. Like that. Perfect. Okay, if we wanted to add a shadow, we could. There we have it. Make the blur a little bit bigger. Okay, there we have it. Perfect. Okay. change this to my name, Angie Norris. Maybe make that my colors, this, and a little bit bigger. And we can add in my bio. So I'm just going to go over here and I'm going to paste this. We're going to click on this button to make it wrap. And then you can see that there's my bio right there. I could make this my colors, like gray. Move this right here so it lines up. Change this to colors, these two, like that. As you can see, you can change them to any color you want. I'm just giving you guys some examples. But if I wanted to do that one, that, perfect. Okay, move that over maybe here. All right, there we go. So let's go ahead and click on save and exit. All right, there's two. Let's go to the next one. And we're gonna copy this slide out. Okay, click on this and go to, how about, let's go to this use template and slide number 3. This is business project, but I just want to simply change this to my colors like this. Perfect. Okay, let's just keep it like that. Save, exit. Okay, go back up here. Let's click on the next one, which would be, which one do you think should be? Project investors. Okay, use 4, continue. We're not going to change much here, just basically changing some of the colors, but you can change these out to the people, to the actual investors of the company, or maybe it's not a project for investors. Maybe these are the team members that are working on the project. Maybe it's a project manager, and you can change these out, right? Okay, let's change this last one just like that. Perfect. Okay, let's go ahead and click on save. Now I'm flying through these, but it's because I'm just trying to work fast here. We're gonna try to get through all these. Let's go ahead and do this one right here, use template. And I think we're on 5 now. So this, again, you just change out the colors to your brand colors. So do that one. This one will do the pink. This one will do the purple. And then we can change these out to the different colors. Very easy when you have a brand kit already in there, right? And then we can change this to whatever you want. So if I wanted to say plan and strategize, and then I could add, you know, anything here that I want. Click on the text wrap, move this like this, move it over like that. Perfect. See how easy it is? And then we're going to click on this one, do the same thing. We're going to change this to implement and engage. And then here we will add, I'm just adding content just to show you how easy it is to change out. Okay, move that over, move that over, and then center that. You see, I love how there's guides. Okay, this one, we'll change it to monitor and optimize. Oops. There we go. And then we have, change this out. So easy. I love it. That didn't work. Okay, let's go back. Like that. Okay. Forward one. Okay. This, we have to click this button. And now we can do it. Now it'll work. Sometimes you just gotta make sure it knows what you want. It's weird that it's a different size. Okay, this is 26, 26. We want to make sure this is 26. Like that. Okay, make sure you use the guides to make it lined up. And if we want, you can hit the shift button, click on this, and click on this, and then you can align top to make sure that they're all top. Pretty cool. Okay, save, exit. All right, let's keep going. We're building this fast. Okay, let's go ahead and click use template. Okay, same thing here. Change the colors really quickly to my brand colors or your client's brand colors, depending on what they're doing. And again, you can change these to the different things, right? I'm not going to do that. I just wanted to show you how easy it was before. Click on this little, there we go. And add that or gray. Perfect. Okay, so I'm not going to change this out, but you get what I mean. Save. All right, only a couple more left. Use template. Okay, again, so what my goal is to show you guys how easy this is to update, right? I might want to actually change that, keep it the blue and make this gray, and then just change this stuff out. So I want it to still look and match the other slides. I don't want to change too much, but you get the idea. Now I'm not changing out any text right now. I did that before to show you, but you can change these out to match all of your stuff, right? So 12G60F, that's pretty cool. Let's see what this one is. This is cute. So we can, let's see if we can copy this, paste, paste, paste. There we go. See how cute that is? So you can do that with all of these. So actually, let's do that. And this one. Like that. That's so darling. Okay. So you see how easy this is? This is so easy. And let's just keep going here. Perfect. Paste. Okay. Those look amazing. Okay. Save. Exit. And then we'll go back to favorites, see what we have left. Okay, so we've done most of these. We haven't done this one yet. So let's do this. Let's do, what did I call this stuff? Demo, presentation, and then I don't even know what we're on. I'm just going to say slide 8. And then we can change this stuff out to the brand color. So let's do that color. Do that color, purple and gray. And then these could be the same. So you could do the blue and then the pink and then the purple and then the gray. So see how easy that was? And this one we can change to the blue. Awesome. Okay, save. Only a couple more left. And then we can put these into a presentation. So we've got this, change that out, this one, and then this one, and then this one. So you guys are getting this, right? I mean, I know it seems like I repeat myself every week, but the point of this is to show you how easy it is. So if it seems simple, then we've hit the mark. But I can tell you that it's just so fascinating to me how you can take what's already created and just make it your own. And you can ask your clients what they need, and then you can shift it to what they need too. All right, let's do a couple more and then we'll be done. Let's do 2 more slides and then we will be done, and then we're going to put these into a presentation. Okay, so we haven't done this one yet, so let's go ahead and do this one. This might be our last one. Okay, let's go ahead and just change this out to that, and change that one out to pink. Okay, perfect. And hit save. All right, so we have all of these. Now what we want to do is we're going to go to Google Slides. But first, I'm going to download these. So let me scroll down here, and we're going to click this, download. And we will do 300 original. I'm going to do this for all of these. So download, original, download, original. And we'll just keep doing it until we have them all. So I'm downloading these in a PNG format because I like to be able to see them. And these will be easy to add to our slide deck. Now I'm going to use Google Docs or Google Slides, I should say, because everyone has access to that. If you have a Gmail account, you have access to that. I love my PowerPoint, as you guys know, but I want to show you what's easy for you guys. So inside Google Drive, you can click on File New, Presentation. So we're just going to title this Demo ClickDesigns Presentations. Okay. So we have 9 slides. So I'm going to go ahead and just click new slide, new slide, new slide, new slide until we have 9. And then we're going to add these now. So click on this, insert image, upload from computer. We're going to go over to downloads, and here they are. So let's go ahead and click on the first one. And there's the first one. Click on the second one. And slide number 2. So you guys see how easy this is? Isn't this cool? Very, very cool, right? So 3, insert image, 4. I could probably do them all at the same time, but I'm just showing you how to do it simply. 5. And then I'm going to show you what it looks like as a slideshow. 6, 7. Can you imagine doing this and then sharing this with people? Their minds will be blown. Like this. All right, we have what? 1 more, right? 2 more. Okay. So we'll add 1 more slide, and then we'll add our last one. And then there we have it. Okay. So now that we have our presentation, you can use this, and then you'll click on right here where it says slideshow. And look, here it is. Doesn't that look good? And I can click throughout, and it'll show the slides. Look at that. We did that together, guys, today, right here, live. And it wasn't that difficult. And if I can do it very quickly while talking, you know you guys can do it too. I did use ChatGPT to kind of create some of the language. Now, I could have added and taken the time to change everything out, and I didn't, because I didn't want you guys to have to watch me do that painfully, right? But I did it as fast as I could. But man, can you imagine if you take the time? How cool is that? Since we're running early on time today, which is the first, I'm going to show you how to add these to PowerPoint. So you can click on how many slides you need. So I just copy, which is Control C, and then Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V, like that. Okay. And then we're going to go to the first one, click on Insert, and this device. And we're going to just select all of the ones that I have here. So if we highlight those, plus this one, and hit Insert, it'll insert them all. Now what I could do is I can arrange these so we can align top. align to the left. This is what I would do. And take all these and make them all the same size, just like so. Perfect. Now we have the first one, right? So this is the first one. And what I'll do is I'll take this, Control C, Control V. And we're going to do this to all of them in the order that they have. Now you guys can do this individually like I did on the Google Slides, but I wanted to kind of show you an easy way to do it where you can add all the slides at once and then just copy and paste them into the different slide numbers, right? So pretty easy, almost done. Like this, like this, like this, and then this is our last one. We're just going to drag this to the bottom, and there we have it. Let's go ahead and click on Slideshow. And there it is. There's our PowerPoint. And look, that was like 2 minutes tops that we did that. How cool is that, right? All right, so let me get back here to this. Again, you go to Templates, go over to Marketing, and click on Presentation. And there are tons in here. There's this one looks really good, and you can mix and match them, which is really great. You can create them from scratch. There are just tons of opportunities and possibilities. So I hope this helped you guys understand. I'm going to close us out here. All right, guys, what did you guys think? Yes, it's not difficult to make these amazing graphics for you or for your clients. So cool. And I just love it because there are templates being added every single day. I want you to challenge you guys. I want to challenge you guys to go in here and create something, whether it's for yourself or for one of your customers or clients. Go and do this and then share what you've created inside of the ClickDesigns community. Help us be inspired by what you're creating these for, and let us know if you're having some wins, if you're making some money. Maybe you've taken on some clients and they have you on a retainer. How cool would that be for you guys to be making some extra cash using this software? So there are so many templates in there. You can use this for so many things as far as your clients go. But man, it's just so cool. I love it. So I hope this was a great episode for you guys. I hope you guys learned a lot. We have a lot more in this series. The series that we're titling right now is called ClickDesigns Brand Builders, because I want you guys to know how you can elevate not just your brand, but your clients' brands too. And today was just a testament to that. So whether you're doing this for clients, man, get out there and do it, or whether you're doing this for yourself, so many possibilities, right? All right, guys, I'm going to let you guys go, but I want you guys to have a great rest of your Monday, a great rest of your week, and an even better weekend. And I will see you on the next episode of ClickDesigns. And we're going to be continuing on in our series called ClickDesigns Brand